Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox this very beautiful design from Diamond Dots, Thomas Kinkade series. And I also would like to show you my work in progress kit, also from Diamond Dots. So if you are interested, stay with me. But we will start with the unboxing. So this is a Diamond Dots kit. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit, the series of Thomas Kinkade. The name of the kit is Rose Garden. This is the original design. I saw this design a long time ago, maybe like a year ago, and I really liked it, but not to the extent that I was thinking about it all the time, that I really wanted to purchase it. No, it was expensive as all Diamond Dot kits, which is no wonder because again the quality is amazing, and I was not ready to spend, how much was it, like $45 on it, because again, although the design was really very cute, I didn't like it to the extent that I was just dying to diamond paint it. I decided to wait when it is on sale. And another thing with this kit was that I like to modify my kits with crystal accents, with AB diamonds, and I know that Thomas Kinkade series do not contain AB diamonds. I don't know why. And when I was looking at this design, I could not decide on how I'm going to customize it. Where would I add the crystals or where would I add AB diamonds? You know what I mean? It's just hard to decide where exactly I could modify it or what I could modify it with. Like to modify the flowers only. So that was another reason why I was not in a hurry to purchase it. I didn't know how I would modify this kit. I didn't see where exactly I would do that. But today when I went to Joann, I purchased it at Joann, I saw it on clearance for $23.97, which is not cheap still, but I'm like, oh, whatever. If I don't buy it, I will regret it later. But when I went to the cashier, the final price turned out to be $15, which is super cheap. So I'm very happy that I bought it. Now we are going to open it and see how it looks inside. It is a full drill, 40 by 50 centimeters, 40 colors. This is how the kit looks packaged inside the box. And we will start with the canvas. As you can see, the design is pretty detailed for the size, 40 by 50 centimeters. There is a lot of objects on it, and to me it looks pretty detailed. And I know that Diamond Dots kits turn out even better than they appear originally on the chart. So if the chart looks detailed, it will turn out even more detailed. If the chart looks not that detailed, the completed work will look more itemized with more definition than the original chart. So there are a lot of colors, a lot, 40 colors, and the symbols are really very clear. Very nice adhesive. It is a poured glue. Let me just try. Yeah, very good, very sticky as always. Nice quality fabric canvas. It's polyester, and that's how it looks. Just wanted to show it more detailed. I think it looks amazing, and I saw it completed. It looks really nice, but again, with my passion to customization, to crystal and AB accents, I just don't know where exactly I would add them. That's my only concern, because I think this work will look better with AB and crystal accents in it. And now let's move to the drills and just, sorry for the plastic sound. Of course, the tools that the kit comes with, the hand gripper stylus, the tray, and the wax. But as to the colors, amazing spring or summer, I don't know, colors. Very vibrant, bright, beautiful. And here I'm thinking what I'm going to replace, what I'm gonna customize this kit with. I think I will replace a few colors. So not sure about the blue one because the shade is a little bit off. This one is way lighter. I need to check if I have any AB diamonds of this shade. What else? Green, red, etc. I would just leave the way it is. Then as to the yellow, most likely I will replace it with this yellow, with AB yellow. This salmon one, either with this one or this, I'm not sure yet. Whatever is gonna look better, whatever shade is closer. I guess this one, Diamond Dots one, is cool. I think this one is from DAC, Diamond Art Club. This one from Diamond Dots. Because I don't think that crystals would fit into this diamond painting, you know, like what, crystal flowers, it would look weird, you know, but AB would look perfect. Not sure about this because this one is more pinkish AB, this one is more beige, so not sure about this, but I might also replace it. Then again, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, to replace this color with this AB. Also, the shade is a little bit off. I would replace white ones with white AB for sure, but there are many of them. Pink, no. These two, lilac and purple one, I don't have that many purple. Most likely this lilac. As to this actually is also light lilac color. I'm not sure why it looks like pink on the camera, but it is definitely lighter than the one that comes with the kit, although they're both lilac. And that's it. I don't have any other AB colors. So, but I would definitely replace the salmon one, the yellow, the pink, the white, I'm not sure about the beige one yet, and these two lilac ones. As to this one, I'm not sure. I'll think about it. It's just way too light. So, beautiful diamond painting. I will start working on it, I don't know when, I guess after Christmas. We'll see. And now I wanted to show you an amazingly beautiful project I'm working on right now. It is cross, as far as I understand, yeah, cross, from Diamond Dots, 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit. It did come with white AB diamonds, although I did a few modifications, but I love it. It looks heavenly beautiful, if you know what I mean. Like, it looks magical, like a miracle, you know, like real cross in the sky in heavens. That's how it would look. I mean, the sparkle is magical. Look at that. Amazing. So as soon as I complete it, hopefully, I was hoping to complete it by the end of this week. Not sure if I complete it on Sunday. I will do my best. If not, I will be done with it in the beginning of the week, and I will record a video review about that. But I already can tell you how impressed I am with this diamond painting. I bought it because it was on sale, and plus I had $10 extra in my wallet, you know, like cashback or something from Michael's. And I'm like, okay, I need to select something. I selected this one because I liked it most from what they had over there. But again, I didn't like it to the extent that I wanted to diamond paint it so much. It was just the best from the worst, so to say, designs. But after I started diamond painting it, I fell in love with the design. Amazing. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.